Cool days and the pitter-patter of rain, brown golden leaves fall on the pathway, crunching beneath my feet, crisp fresh breeze. For our first DIY, we're going to start making a cloche, so I've got this to work with, and then I'm taking some bark that I got from the park, and we're going to just kind of cut it to size, and we're going to hot glue it down, and that's going to be our base. I'm going to be covering the spaces here with some moss, and we're just going to glue that down. We're going to start sticking down our dried flowers now. I'm also going to make use of a pine cone. And I've got this smaller one here. What's really great about these fall projects is that you can use a lot of nature, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. Just going to use an orange dried flower as well. And I'm just going to keep filling it up until I am happy. Now if you struggle sticking down the stems because it's straight, you can't always stick it down, I suggest sticking some moss around it, and that will just help strengthen it, and then you can have a firm sort of grip with it. And I think I'm done now, so I'm just going to place the lid on top. And here's our first DIY done and completed. I think it just looks so stunning and beautiful. For the next DIY, I am using this little terrarium. Just need to remove the label. And you're going to begin by taking some material. I've got this scrap piece here that I thankfully saved because now it's come in handy. And I have my stamp set here. We're going to stamp in fall or autumn. I also have this little plant that I'm going to use as well. This is taking too much space for me, so what I'm going to do is cut around them and stick them closer together because, as you can see, it's pretty small inside. Next, you're going to take a toothpick and you're going to apply your glue and take your stamped lettering. Just add it onto that. Now take your little terrarium and some moss. I've got two colours here, some brown and green. I feel like this colour looks more like fall. Now I'm just going to cut my toothpick to size. It's a little too big at the moment. Then you're going to apply some hot glue to the bottom of that and then insert it inside so that it goes into your moss. For the finishing touch, I'm taking my squirrel figurine, super cute, and I'm placing it inside. If you'd like the link for this, do let me know. Here it is, the second DIY. I just love this little guy and I love this little creation. It's just so cute and it makes me smile and I just think it's adorable. I'm using this small bottle, and what's good about these is that you can turn them into fridge magnets or necklaces, and they're really good to sell. So it's really simple. You're going to take your moss, and I think I'm going to use the purple one the most. You're going to stuff it inside, and you can use a pen or some tweezers if you need. And then I'm going to take this orange mushroom, I'm going to remove the wire, and just place that inside. So I've got my 2 mushrooms in and my moss. Going to place the cork back on, and like I said, if you want to turn this into a fridge magnet, you just place 2 magnets, because this is a little bit bigger than my usual ones. I do have smaller ones, so if you are using a big size, just place the 2 magnets with some hot glue on the back, and then you're good to go. And if you want to turn it into a necklace, just hot glue the cork, because mine isn't secure at the moment, and add your chain. So these are the ones that I typically use. You can see it is a lot smaller, so these are the ones that I would recommend if you want to make some necklaces. And here's our third and final DIY for today, another super cute creation that was quick and easy to make. And here's all 3 DIYs from today. I think they're so pretty, and I love that they have colour despite that they are fall DIYs. I hope that you have enjoyed watching. Let me know which one you like in the comments below. I would truly appreciate if you leave me a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.